This is an after photo. These wheels were terrible. This is a kind of in the intermediate, getting all the mud out of the wheel wells, which we do on every single car. There's a what do they call that? Protection island here, and Diamond Point we're at. Kind of cool, huh? Let me see if I can get a close up. Yeah. Pretty nice neighborhood. And then here is the before. You can see the difference. And we're in the middle of this. Well, we shampooed this car. We had shampoo the interior. Did the inside of it. All of it. Carpet, seats, doors. It smells really good in here. She has a couple lab, I think they're Labrador retrievers. So this turned out really good. The inside, she's gonna be real happy. She hasn't been out yet to look at it. She wants us to have our space, but she had dog hair everywhere. That's what's to be expected when you have dogs. But, she hadn't had a chance to get it done for a while, and so she's so very happy to have this service. Come right to her house. This is going to look good. We're going to wax it. So this is, it's kind of, as you can see, it's kind of faded right now. And I'll get an after picture. We did a hand wash on here. It was really thick dirt. Here's another before picture of the wheel. You can see the inner rim. It's all brown inside there, the inner rim. And you can see the mud inside of the wheel wells, which we get all of that out too. And this is the after. There's the Port Angeles-Sequim, Washington Faithful Angel Pet Care and Cleaning Service lady. You can find her in the comments section below, also too. And she's on Facebook and YouTube. And just put Port Angeles-Sequim, Washington in, and then you can go to the World Wide Web. Port Angeles-Sequim, Washington Car Washman, Motorhome Watchman, World Wide Web, Facebook, YouTube, hundreds of videos, hundreds of referrals. We're on the Chicks list for the area. And you guys have a great day.